So tell me, how was the tutorial at Lexicon?
Yeah, it was great. Very, very interactive,
Yeah.
very engaging, and a lot of questions from the audience.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a great tutorial.
Yeah, I think it was a great tutorial, very engaging audience.
Yeah.
And people are quite interested in finding out what 6G will look like and how we can integrate non-terrestrial networks into the ground networks.
Yeah.
Aryan, what was that experience for you?
It was very engaging tutorial and very timely as well, and we had a lot of interaction from the audience, which was very nice point. And we had discussed about how non-terrestrial networks can be implemented, let's say for 6G standards and even beyond.
So Aryan, we had one question that how NTN could shape the 6G networks in future. What do you think?
Yes, Jishan. So if you look at the ITUR approved IMT 2030/6G vision and framework, so there the objectives are to have massive connectivity, to have integrated AI in communications, integrated sensing in communications, and really, super reliable and low latency communications. And non-terrestrial network really falls into those use scenarios.
I think we had another discussion on how the non-terrestrial networks could afford the processing power on board.
Right.
What would happen in future? They would connect with cloud computing services or edge computing services, and they will only get the analytics about the environment, and they will have limited processing on board for all necessary data.
Yes.
For the rest of the data will be processed in cloud somewhere else near the edges, and they would have connectivity through LEO satellites.
I think it was a great discussion, so I would like to say that please stay tuned to our future tutorials, and we have a podcast coming on non-terrestrial networks.
Say that it was a great experience to attend IEEE Lexicon 2023 in Istanbul, and looking forward to see our ComSoc community